The Bill Soul Community Service Award is given each year to honor a person whose work in the community commemorates Bill Soul's dedication to community service. Bill was a longtime member of the Adams County Board of Supervisors and an Adams County historian. He served on the board from 1974 until his death in 1991. As a member of that board, he helped to organize the Midland Area Agency on Aging and the Adams County Senior Services. He then served on the Senior Services Board of Directors from 1978 to 1991. Bill also served on the Board of Directors of the Adams County Historical Society from 1969 until his death. He wrote many articles on Adams County history and drafted a map of historical places in Adams County. Bill helped to initiate the Hastings Optimist Club's program of bicycles for needy children and the YWCA program, which is now called Parents Without Partners. The person selected for the Bill Soul Community Service Award is to have been an advocate of community concerns, who has shown leadership in more than one area of activity, who demonstrates the ability to inspire creative activity in others, and who is an active organizer and active participant in community affairs. This year, it's an honor and a pleasure to present the Bill Soul Community Service Award to LeRoy Hahn. And I want to say just a few things before we welcome LeRoy about what he has done. LeRoy holds a PhD in agricultural engineering and was a member of professional associations throughout his working career. In recent years, LeRoy has been tireless in his volunteer work on behalf of senior citizens. He's been an active member of both the National Association of Retired Federal Employees and the American Association of Retired Persons, or ARP as we know it. In each organization, he has been chairperson of the Legislative Action Committee and a president and a persistent advocate of public policies and public funding for aging programs and services. Recently, he has been especially active in the Nebraska Public Transportation Committee that works to improve transportation for both seniors and the wider public, and to develop a regional transportation that goes beyond single cities and single counties. LeRoy has served on the board of directors of Senior Action that oversees Meals on Wheels, the foster grandparent programs, and RSVP. Possibly his most distinctive service has been in caregiver support groups. He has been active in the Senior Center's caregiver support group and the respite care support program for families who have loved ones with Alzheimer's disease or other illnesses. In this area, he has worked hard to improve communications between doctors, other professionals, and families to enhance the decision-making for better health for their patrons. In these organizations, he has been a leader. He has recruited volunteers. He has secured speakers to assist caregivers. He created adaptive technologies in his own home and then held open houses to show people how they could develop adaptive care for long-term health deterioration. He's been instrumental in planning and executing the Day of Caring for caregivers that will be held this month, tomorrow. LeRoy's work has extended beyond seniors. He has been active in MAD, the Organization of Mothers Against Drunk Driving, for many years. In Hastings, he has been active in the intergenerational community, working with young leaders, and he is a member of the University of Nebraska-Lincoln's County Extension Board. LeRoy, you are an advocate, a leader, a tireless member of associations committed to making our community and our state a better place in which to live. You are truly a model of community service. It's our pleasure to present to you the Bill Soul Community Service Award. Since you are all distinguished volunteers, please join me in a round of applause for LeRoy.